All right, you guys. It is 33 degrees. There's currently a high wind warning, which is only 15 miles per hour right now, but it was, oh wait, today is November 18th, 33 degrees. This is Cheyenne Silver Lake. Oh yeah, currently a high wind warning. 21 wind mile yesterday. Today's only 15, so I think they're like a day late on that one. But it did dust a little bit of snow like about an hour ago. And you have water in the house. Why are you drinking out of this? That's some nonsense right there. I give him fresh water twice a day because, you know, I don't want to drink after myself either. But, you know, come on now. He was just in the house drinking water. I just filled it up. Oh, no, Hagar today. Hagar. No Hagar today. Look at that. It looks like we might be able to see Table Rock if we mosey on down this way a little bit. Yeah, you can see Table Rock. Oh, I need to pick up that trap, reset it, re-clean it out. I just haven't done it yet. I just haven't noticed anything. I need to get out here with clippers and start whacking some stuff. Hey-yo! Hoya! Hoya! Oh! I'm gonna steal your toys. Oh, sorry about that, guys. He just decided to go. Ooh! The sky looks so much prettier than it did yesterday, though. Let's see if I can find where I can be blocked from the wind. From the wind! I haven't really done anything this whole week. Mostly just been hanging out with my friends online. I play June's Journey, and I have a group of friends that I've played with for a long time, and we chat on there, and they're all from different places. We just got a new player from Arizona, so that was cool. I'm the only one in Oregon or even on the West Coast over here, so getting somebody that was in my time, like almost my time zone, was perfect, because I'm always on the opposite, and I usually have to catch the messages the following morning. And they all come on like at 2 in the morning, and I'm like already dead to the world. I'm like, argh. So I've been hanging out with them and just finding hidden treasures. He wants to hang outside, but it's really cold outside. I don't really want him outside. So I saw Serenity last night. She's so happy to have her cast off. She said that in between her thumb and her first finger felt really weird to her, like it wasn't part of her body. After she got her cast off, she said it felt like it was like put there. And it took her, she said, a whole day to be able to squeeze her thumb and her finger back together. She feels like her hands and arms were stronger when she had the cast, and so she feels like she's a little bit weaker without them. But all in all, she's pretty happy with getting them off. I just laughed at her because she's so funny. But give a shout out to Mason. It's like this is every day. I give a shout out to Mason, my grandson. I might as well give a shout out to Landon and Ryder and Serenity too, even though I see them every day. Landon just went and got his shaggy hair cut off. He was really handsome with shaggy hair. He's handsome without shaggy hair either, but every time I look at him now, it's like shocking because I'm so used to his, oh, look, we got a little bit of Hager back. That's nice. That was crazy how that dusted over it. You can see that there's some snow up on there. Ooh, the wind is picking up. I can feel it. So this will probably be now another short, boring vlog because I haven't really done anything. I've been thinking about like trying to figure out a way to set up a little spot and doing some different videos since I'm not even really doing shorts right now. It's just too windy. It's like that time, like in December, it gets better even though it's colder and has more snow. It's like less windy. And it's kind of more fun to go out and walk in it than, you know, I haven't even eaten yet today. I need to do that. I forget. I took an 1.5-hour bubble bath because my back has been like, I bent down yesterday for Bruce, and when I did that, I felt like something twinge. So then I was like really careful for the rest of the evening, but it didn't go away. And so then this morning I got up, I was like, okay, I'll just really I used that sports eucalyptus Epsom salt, which is my least favorite of all the Epsom salts. I just don't like the way it smells. I just don't like it, but I did use it because it was a sport one, and I figured maybe it would be like a bigger kicker. And then of course I put my regular ginseng Dr. Teal's in too. I mixed the two so that it would smell a little better while I'm sitting in there forever. Reading a good book though. My neighbor Carl, he's the one that has that 100-year-old White House that he's been remodeling for a couple years now. He gave me a book called The Greatest Man Who Ever Lived, and I love it. I've already read it once. I'm halfway through it the second time, and I'm already like thinking about rereading it all over again. And I was just thinking to myself, dude, but you need to like read something else, then come back and read this book again because I've already read it twice. So I just need to read something else and then come back and read this because I'm just so locked up into this. It's about Jesus, and it's like a breakdown of his ministry, but like really slow breakdown of it, like what he did each, you know, as he went along. So each chapter is like a breakdown of each incident, and it slows it down a whole bunch and makes it to where you learn a lot better, learn a lot more information. And I'm just so hooked on it that I want to read it again, but I just know that I should probably read something else. Boy, these ones died early this year. Usually they'll hang on until like the very end of November, and sometimes like my daughter doesn't cut them all down. I generally cut this one all the way down to the ground. So, I don't know. I probably will. Because when I do cut them down, it seems like they do better. They come back bushier, thicker, and stronger. Everybody's out walking their dogs right now. It is so windy and cold. Too bad I could take you on a walk, Bruce. You big meanie. Can't get along with the other dogs. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog because it is cold. And I want to go in and be warm. So peace, love, and happiness. May peace be with you always. I'm always wishing you a wonderful day, hour, week, minute, second. I really appreciate you guys even spending time with me and watching because I am one boring person. But I like that you guys are chill and you don't mind being chill and listening to other people that are just like living their regular lives, just, you know, letting it happen. My daughter's at work, so my son's at work. kids are at school. It's very quiet right now. And those are my favorite opportunities to really, really enjoy, because I don't have 2 out of 3 kids bugging me for stuff. Actually, 4, because both my kids bug me for stuff. And then 2 of my grandkids are always on me. So there's 4 people that are like gone right now. Ryder and Nicholas are the only 2 that are not constantly needy. Like, it's funny. Alrighty. I will talk to you guys later. And I'm glad we made it 10 minutes. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah, I haven't gotten rid of that truck yet. I just kind of like want to hang on to it for a little bit longer. Maybe spring. I want the trailer gone. If you take that truck, then I have to look at that trailer, and I don't want to look at that trailer. All right. Peace, love, and happiness. See you later. Bye.